The 2026 HVAC selling season is already upon us. Let's take a look at what it takes to improve sales and reduce warranties when a customer is looking to replace an AC compressor. Now, the key to successful compressor replacement can be summarized in these following tips. First off, every inch of the refrigerant path should be new or flushed. This includes the condenser, evaporator, dryer, expansion device, and hose assemblies. Keep in mind that some of these components must be replaced and cannot be flushed. The system should also be charged with the exact amount of refrigerant. If it's undercharged, it's going to result in reduced compressor lubrication. But if the system is overcharged, that's going to result in some compressor slugging and reduced system performance. Always use the correct type, viscosity, and amount of oil. Which brings me to my final tip. Proper condenser airflow is crucial. Now, I say this as a bold statement because this is one of those often overlooked causes of both original and repeat compressor failures. When a compressor fails and needs to be replaced, a successful compressor replacement is going to require the compressor and all related items being replaced at the same time. Adding a Pro Kit, now known as Parts Pack Service Kit, with a new or reman compressor is going to help ensure success. Now, Parts Pack Service Kits come with all the exact components needed for a successful compressor replacement in one convenient package. Items such as the accumulator or filter dryer, depending on the application, O-rings and gaskets, the expansion device, new service valves, ports and caps, and perhaps the most important piece of all, the correct oil, are all included in this conveniently packaged service kit. One additional thing to keep in mind is the amount of time saved when ordering AC components. Now a customer can go to ProLink or NapaOnline.com to efficiently order the service kit rather than having to look up each component individually and potentially ordering the incorrect component. In addition to convenience and increased sales, compressor warranty has been greatly reduced with the use of AC kits, where all related items are replaced and the complete repair is performed. Related item sales are now captured 100% of the time when a parts pack service kit is sold, whereas previously, expansion device related sales were only captured 60% of the time, accumulator or filter dryer sales were only captured about 65 to 70% of the time, and unfortunately, chemical sales were only captured less than 40% of the time. More sales, less return? What's not to love? And again, as technology has evolved and we see more and more hybrids and electric vehicles on the road using electric compressors, yes, you also have the parts needed to fix the AC systems on those vehicles as well. And yes, just like the applications that use internal combustion engines, there are also kits available for these applications with electronic compressors that, once again, include the special oil for those compressors. So, to summarize, let's make the 2026 HVAC selling season the best one yet and sell more service kits along with those compressors, whether they're new or reman.